Hey guys, another quick video from Fast Tech. In this one I'm going to be showing you guys how to back up your PS4. This video is going to be helpful if you're trying to back up your PlayStation 4 or transfer your files and information and your save games to a different PS4. Maybe you have a PS4 right now and you want to transfer all your stuff to a new PS4 or a PS4 Pro or a PS4 Slim or a different PS4. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that today. So for this to work, your PS4 has to be functional and it has to be turning on and it has to stay on for about at least an hour, hour and a half, or 2 hours, depending on how much data you have on there. So let's get started. So once your console is started up and on the main menu here, we're going to go up to settings. Then we're gonna go all the way down to system. Then there's gonna be an option here that says backup and restore. We're gonna select that. Okay, now the first option that we see here says backup PS4. We're gonna select that. Then it's gonna give us this message: save data for the following users cannot be restored to any PS4 other than this PS4. Well, that's fine. Both these accounts I don't care about anyways. The first one is just a random account I made. The second one is my ex-girlfriend's account, which I don't care about. So, yeah, good riddance. Yeah, we're going to continue backing up. And now it's going to ask you what is it exactly that we're going to back up. Application, settings, capture, save data. So we have the option of unselecting applications, and we can only transfer just the save data and the settings and the captures, which would save us a lot of time. But if you guys want to also copy your applications, which is basically the installation data for games, you can do that as well. I think I'm gonna go ahead and skip the applications because I can just reinstall those. But you can select yes on that if you like. Press next. Oh, and also maybe I forgot to mention, but you do need a USB hard drive plugged into your PS4. I got a 500 gig plugged in. You're gonna need a USB hard drive plugged in your PS4 to do this. So now it says your PS4 will restart, and then the items you select will be back up to the USB storage device. We're just going to press backup, and now it's doing its thing. This is probably going to take, maybe in this case, probably not long because I'm not copying the applications. If you're copying the applications, this could take a few hours. Now it's going to do its thing. It's going to restart, and then it's going to show this screen. It's going to say backing up, and this could take some time, so we're just going to leave it. We're going to let it do its thing. It could take up to a few hours depending on how much data you have, so I'm just going to leave it here, let it do its thing, and come back when it's finished. Okay, so once it's done backing up your data, you're going to see this screen. It's going to say backup complete, and it's going to say PS4 will restart. You're just going to press OK. The console is going to restart. Okay, so the console is going to restart, and now we have all our data on our external hard drive. And what we're going to do now is we're going to plug this hard drive into our new PS4, the one we're trying to restore to. We're going to plug the hard drive in, and then we're going to go to settings. Okay, we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to the same menu here and under system, and then we're going to go to backup and restore, and then we're going to select the option that says restore PS4. Okay, we're going to press restore. Once we have our hard drive plugged in our new console, we're going to press restore. And then our backup's going to show up like this. Okay, we're going to select it, and it's going to give you this message. Okay, now when we press restore, it's going to start restoring. I'm not going to do that right now because this is not actually the console that I'm trying to copy to. I'm trying to copy to a different console. So once I have that console, I'm going to plug it in, press restore, and then it's going to take another hour, hour and a half, maybe less, depending on how much data you have. And that's that. So once that restarts, all your data from your old console should be transferred to the new, and that's all there is to it. So yeah, here's another video from Fast Tech, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and comment and like the videos, and check out our website at www.fasttech.ca if you need any parts, repairs, or tools, and I'll catch you in the next one.